All right, remote, and I'm gonna unlock, I'm gonna open the door. You can see the door opening, stop, and close. I'm gonna pause for a second. All right, this is the remote that we received. I'm gonna press both the A and B button to put it in programming. You'll see the light flash. See, it's not really working. There it goes. There went the light flash. So according to your instructions, this would be hold the remote button and then press that button. And my garage door is opening, and the remote that I purchased is just has a red light on. Red light on, red light on, and it just went off, and it never went to blue like it says it will. And I can press this button. None of them actually function, but that will actually shut my garage door, which is doing right now.